the in-depth guide to cross-platform compatibility with Commercio.network's apps on Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, and Android. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. Commercio.network is a decentralized finance, DeFi, platform that offers businesses a range of blockchain-based solutions to streamline their operations and enhance their security. One of the key features of Commercio.network is its cross-platform compatibility, which allows businesses to interact with different blockchains and networks seamlessly. In this tutorial, we will explore the benefits of using Commercio.network's cross-platform compatibility and provide practical tips on how to leverage its features to maximize your business's potential. First, Commercio.network's cross-platform compatibility allows businesses to access multiple blockchains and networks, making it easier for them to expand their reach and access new markets. This feature also enables businesses to take advantage of the unique features and benefits of different blockchains, such as speed, security, and scalability. Second, Commercio.network's cross-platform compatibility enables businesses to streamline their operations and reduce their costs. The platform enables businesses to automate their processes, such as payments, invoicing, and supply chain management, by connecting with different networks and blockchains. This feature can save businesses time and resources and enable them to focus on their core competencies. Third, Commercio.network's cross-platform compatibility provides enhanced security for businesses. The platform uses blockchain technology to secure transactions and data, making it harder for hackers and fraudsters to gain access to sensitive information. This feature also enables businesses to track and trace their transactions, providing greater transparency and accountability. To leverage Commercio.network's cross-platform compatibility, it is essential to understand your business's needs and objectives. You need to identify the specific areas where you want to improve your operations and the benefits you want to achieve. This will help you identify the features and tools that best suit your business's needs. Choosing the right blockchain is also crucial for your business, as you need to consider factors such as speed, security, scalability, and cost when making your decision. Finally, it is essential to embrace transparency and accountability in your operations to build trust with your customers. Commercio.network's cross-platform compatibility enables businesses to track and trace their transactions, providing greater transparency and accountability. You should leverage this feature to build trust with your customers and enhance your brand reputation. In conclusion, Commercio.network's cross-platform compatibility is a powerful tool that can help businesses streamline their operations, enhance their security, and expand their reach. By understanding your business's needs, choosing the right blockchain, leveraging automation, and embracing transparency and accountability, you can maximize the benefits of Commercio.network's cross-platform compatibility and take your business to the next level. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.